Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing 3 simple, quick, delicious desserts for Valentine's Day. We'll start with the berry compote with ice cream. Let's begin. On medium heat, in a pan, place washed mixed berries. You may use frozen berries as well. Add sugar, honey, and mix. Please watch the video until the end to help support the channel. Stir to expose the berries to the same intensity of heat. Please check the description box for complete details on this recipe. Mix cornstarch with water in a bowl. Add cornstarch and stir. Once it starts to simmer, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the fruit starts to blister. Reduce the heat to low. If the compote is too thick, you may add a tablespoon of water at a time and get it to the consistency you like. Remove it from the heat and cool it entirely. You may even freeze it once it's cold, just to use it for another time. I cooled the pan in a bowl of ice cold water. Let's plate. Spoon the berry compote or the sauce into the serving bowls. Please press the like button and leave me your thoughts regarding this recipe in the comment section below. Add the ice cream. This is a store-bought vanilla ice cream. Top up with the compote or the sauce as much as you want. Garnish with wafer rolls. That's optional. And you may add mint leaves. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Enjoy your dessert. Let's make individual 3-minute chocolate cakes. In a mixing bowl, place flour, baking powder, and sugar. Stir. Sift in cocoa powder. Push the lumps through the sieve. Stir the mix with a whisk or a fork. Then add melted butter or margarine and mix. Add hot water or coffee and mix until it's smooth. Pour the batter on microwave-safe ramekins or teacups. I will leave in the description box a complete list of ingredients and more information. Bake them on the microwave for 3 minutes and they will be ready. If you do not have a microwave, pour water into a baking dish, then bake them for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius in the preheated conventional oven. Meanwhile, let's prepare the topping sauce. In a separate bowl, place icing sugar, cocoa powder, mix, then add fresh milk and stir. Poke holes on the cakes, then drizzle the sauce on top. Let it get inside the cake and tip the cake to the sides to cover every area. To the chocolate lovers, enjoy! Let's make chocolate cups to serve our ice cream, topped with salted caramel. What a stylish way to serve dessert! Let's begin with caramel. In a pan on medium to high heat, place sugar, water, and fresh lemon juice. Do not touch the pot, let it boil until it changes the color to amber brown color. I would like to thank you so much for spending time and watching my video, and to ask you to watch until the end. Once the syrup turns deep brown, switch off the heat, add hot heavy cream and stir with a wooden spoon. Please be aware that the hot caramel is dangerous. Don't allow it to touch your skin. Please subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Add a pinch of salt and butter and stir. add vanilla extract or essence, stir and allow it to cool entirely. Let's make the chocolate cups. Chop into smaller pieces dark chocolate. Place the chocolate in a microwave safe bowl and melt it. Then cool it before dipping each inflated balloon. Wait for few seconds for the chocolate to stick on the balloon, then allow it to drip, making swirling movements to avoid a dripping shape. Please check the description box for details on this recipe. I would say use a deep bowl, adding more melted chocolate to have deep cups if you want them that way. Support the balloons so they can dry without touching the surface, and place them in a freezer for them to set fast. Once set, pop the balloons on a plate. Remove the balloon and your cups are set. Fill your chocolate cups with ice cream. Please press the like button and leave a comment below to add value to this video. Then garnish with any soft fruit of choice. You may add mint leaves, drizzle your cooled caramel, and serve immediately. When serving this kind of dessert, it's advisable to cool your plates in the fridge ahead of time. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.